29 September, World Heart Day. A day celebrated worldwide in the pretext to save heart. Friends, why we need this? It's because world is facing a tremendous burden in the healthcare system to tackle heart care problems. It's one of the major cause of morbidity and mortality worldwide, especially India. We Indians are genetically prone and susceptible to get a heart disease. So what should we do and what should we pledge for? I think we should pledge for to live a healthy life, to make our heart healthy and make it fit and make it remain fit. As a society, we all know major causes of heart problem. What causes a heart problem? Say smoking, say bad lifestyle, say bad food, stressful life, genetical susceptibility. So there's a list and it goes on. And majority of the people are now aware, but still somehow there's a side of ignorance. We have seen a young patient as young as 12 years, 20 years, 25 years, just starting their college life. And it's going on, and it's painful. There are certain symptoms which should be kept in mind always, that if these occurs, at least we should rule out heart problems. The most common symptom is the chest pain. We all know that whenever chest pain occurs, it can be heart problem. So that's fine. But there are certain atypical symptoms also, like jaw pain, toothache, postprandial jaw pain, epigastric pain, which mimics gastritis. We go to a gastrologist and we find no disease. Left arm pain, right arm pain, back pain, sudden onset of breathlessness. So these can all be a part of cardiac symptoms. Friends, I urge you, so whenever you have such symptoms which has never occurred before, just go to a doctor or a nearby ER. Get ECG done, echo done, certain blood reports and cardiac markers like thing. And even if you have slightest doubt, get an angio done. Believe me, it will give lot of information, and if treated on time, it will save your heart. A healthy life has to be there to live a fit and healthy lifestyle. For your entire life, it will protect you. When you have a heart attack, every minute, even every second is important. The moment artery occludes, the moment the blood supply to the heart is cut off by a clot or a cholesterol plaque, it has to be restored as early as possible. If you restored it in first 4 to 6 golden hours, you will save your heart. It will stay in a normal functioning condition post procedure. So we have to reach emergency room in time. Never call a doctor at home. Just go to hospital or emergency room when you have certain symptoms. It will save a time and it will make you feel comfortable when you reach a hospital. So dear friends, on this day, 29 September, let us take a pledge that we will make our heart fit and we will make it fit for life, for our family and for the entire nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.